15 mind-blowing facts you didn't know! Hi, I'm Dr. Cool. Get ready for 15 mind-blowing facts you didn't know. Did you know sharks existed before trees? They've been swimming for over 400 million years. Trees appeared much later. Sharks were already ruling the oceans.
Imagine, sharks were here before forests existed. Mind blown, right?
Bananas are slightly radioactive. Yes, but don't worry, it's completely safe.
Potassium-40 makes them radioactive. You'd need millions to feel anything.
So your snack is safe and delicious. Science is tasty.
Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, 1 to the body.
The main heart stops when they swim. That's why they prefer crawling. 3 hearts? How cool is that? Nature is amazing. Your brain produces electricity, about 20 watts, enough for a small light bulb. Every thought creates tiny electrical signals. You're literally powered by your brain. Imagine lighting a bulb just by thinking. The human brain is incredible.
1 day on Venus is longer than a year. Crazy, right? Venus rotates very slowly. It takes 243 Earth days to spin once. So a day is longer than a year on Venus. Mind-bending, isn't it? Honey never spoils. Even 3,000-year-old honey is edible.
Bacteria cannot survive inside honey. It lasts forever. Your sweet treat is basically immortal. Yum and scientific.
There are more trees than stars in our galaxy. 3 trillion trees versus 100 billion stars. Mind-blowing, right? Trees outnumber stars.
Earth is literally a green planet. Nature wins.
Your stomach makes a new lining every few days to survive its own strong acid.
Otherwise, it would digest itself. Yikes!
Your body is smarter than you think. Cells are little heroes.
Tardigrades can survive space. Heat, cold, radiation, nothing stops them. The toughest animal on Earth. Tiny but invincible.
Space-proof creatures exist. Nature is unbelievable.
There's more water in the air than in all rivers. 13 trillion tons of water floating above us.
Amazing, right? Earth's water is everywhere. Next time you see clouds, remember how heavy they really are?
Your body has more bacteria than human cells. 39 trillion bacteria versus 30 trillion cells.
You are more bacteria than human. Don't worry, most are friendly.
Your body is a tiny ecosystem. Science is amazing.
Saturn is so light, it could float in water. Its density is super low. Mostly made of gas, yet it's giant and floats.
Floating planets, who knew? The universe is full of surprises.
The Eiffel Tower grows taller in summer. Metal expands when heated.
About 15 centimeters taller. That's 6 inches taller than winter.
Even monuments have body changes. Cool, isn't it?
Your nose can remember 50,000 scents. Way more powerful than you think. Every smell is a memory. Your brain is amazing.
Next time you smell chocolate, you might remember a whole day. 1 cloud can weigh millions of elephants, yet it floats easily above your head. Imagine 100,000 elephants in the sky. Science defies imagination.
Floating giants in the sky. Nature is incredible. So, which fact shocked you the most? Subscribe for more amazing Dr. Cool videos.